This is a very beautiful gold trade that I took yesterday, and as usual guys, you know how I do it. I document my entries, and you can see this is before, of course, before gold made its move. Basically, this was analysis that I did with my gang on a Saturday. You can confirm once again. The analysis was on February 10th, and February 10th was on a Saturday, guys, I believe so. So I said, yo, I anticipate that gold should go maybe back to retest that last high or that resistance. Of course, it was a support and then it broke, making it now a resistance. So I told my gang, yo, when gold opens, that is when market opens on Monday, that's when we're going to wait for a retest and take that entry. So yesterday was on a Monday, this was a Monday. Today I'm recording, it's Tuesday. So we see that gold played out nicely, and this is when the market was playing out. So, and I say, yo, that is current price. So let me just take you back and show you what the market was doing and why I anticipated that pullback before making that entry decision. So I'm just going to make my analysis, take you through step by step, guys. Do not miss out. And this video, guys, is sponsored by fastbull.com. You see, let me just show you. Fastbull.com is one of the best website that you guys can watch out and check your economic calendar and see if there's an incoming news that might impact your trading. You see, so you need to be on a safe side while trading the forex market. So fastbull.com, link in the description. Feel free to check out the fastbull.com. all right, so generally we can see that gold is in an uptrend. Yeah, gold is an uptrend. Why am I saying that gold is an uptrend? So you see already price was giving us a higher high, higher low, and a higher high and a higher low. But then you see that kind of the market has given us two touches on the support trend line. Okay, what I say two touches, I mean this first touch right here and the second touch right here. So as usual, we anticipate that gold had a potential of going to give us a third touch. Okay, so if we had that in mind, then we understand that right now the market is in the middle of nowhere. Okay, it might go either to the top or to the bottom. That is okay, but at the back of our mind, we understand that we are looking for gold to touch that third touch support line. Okay, so if we understand that that's the case, remember we are at the daily. If we understand that that's the case, we now go to the H4. Okay, we go to the H4. We now need to look for sell properties or bearish properties. Okay, so now when we go to the H4, we now need to concentrate on this level. That is it, only that. Okay, so based on that, we draw our trend line. Of course, we have first touch right here. Let me just draw that first touch, begin. We have a second touch right here, and of course we had a third touch, and gold took out that level. So that means everything is making sense. We now have a great buy that now this market has a potential of continue dropping based on our confidence that okay, we're waiting for price to go and touch the last, the last support line, which is now to give us the third touch. Okay, so let's just continue zooming, guys. Stick with me. I hope you guys are not confused. So when we zoom in, when we continue zooming in, we understand that there's this level, guys. Trends inside trends, trends within trends. I repeat, trends inside trends and trends within trends, guys. Do not forget that. Okay, I know most of you wondering why this guy has so many trend lines. Yo, it makes sense and they help me to make my entry decision. Okay, so once again, we look out for this type of a play. Okay, so we see that gold once again gave us a first touch right here. Sorry, we see gold gave us a first touch right here, then the second touch, and now we have a third touch. Now on the third touch, that is when we execute as usual. So that is what the H4 was telling me. So when we go to the H1, let's hit the H1. We're now adding confidence. Remember, like I said, from the daily we were looking for sell position, and now we're just adding more confidence. Okay, so that we flow with the banks, the big boys. Okay, now when we go to the H1, we also need to see that okay, gold gave us this, the left shoulder, the head, right shoulder, then it dropped. So after that happened, I was waiting for that pullback. That's the reason why I had that drawn. I said when the market opened, I will need gold to go back and give me that pullback. That is when I make my entry decision. But there's something, guys, I need you to go back to the H4, I need you to see something, another confluence. Okay, so hidden that you need to open your eyes, guys. You need to open your eyes. Okay, so let me do this. I'll remove some of the drawings for you to understand, guys. Be keen. Confluence and confluence, confluence and confluence. Remember, in this market, you need to look out for pattern, the shapes. Okay, now when I do this, there's this level right here. Okay, and also there's a level right here, like this. There's that level. So if you are educated enough and you know about patterns, you should understand that this is a head and shoulder. Easy. All right, that's a head and shoulder. Okay, so I'm talking about left shoulder right there. This is the head. The market gave me a neckline, went back to give me a right shoulder, so it was completing that head and shoulder with that right shoulder. So we was anticipating the market needs to go back and touch that neckline or the support. So those are just confluence that we are adding onto our analysis. So let's just go back to the 15. Remember, right now is Saturday. The market has not yet opened, so we're waiting for the market to open on Monday and wait for a pullback. That is when we execute as usual. So let's see. Now that we have all the confluence in place, then guess what? It's time for us to wait for the market. And you can see, guys, this is what I had. This type of a drawing, you see, I had this, and I say, yo, when the market opens, we expect this type of a pullback and maybe get a reversal, then we execute. So when the market did this, that is now on Monday, the market, we were triggered in. You see that? We were triggered in. Immediately that happened, we let the market do its thing. You see, the market did its thing, and that was quite amazing. So we risked 63 pips, you see, and gold gave us 153 pips. So amazing and easy. I hope you guys just learned something. Okay, and if you didn't get what I'm talking about, feel free to rewind this video and try to catch something. Like I say, when you're coming to the forex market, look for patterns and shapes. Okay, reversal pattern, continuation pattern, and understand the position, understand where we are, and understand how the market is approaching support or resistance. Rewind this video to get it. All right, so since you guys have been amazing, let me see if I can maybe get a signal for you. Remember yesterday, the video that I did upload yesterday, I said that watch this video. I told my crew, let me just take you back. Yes, you see how amazing this is. Let me just take you back. Where is my Telegram? Sorry, right here. So this is when I did upload the video. I say, there's a free signal in this video. Be keen. So I don't know if this gang watched that video and they was keen. Maybe they caught that signal. So, and you see, then this is how the market was. So I gave them a signal on Euro AUD. So today I'm also going to give you a free signal. So be keen. Okay, so this is it. See, I said, I told you guys to watch this video, you will get a signal. If you did watch, then you are in profit. And I do take these trades. Look at that. Basically I gave them the trade. I gave my VIP that trade. But you know what, I'm not going to talk about the trade. Currently the trade is still playing out, so I'm going to explain that trade in another video, right? But basically the market already gave me 50 pips. Okay, so be keen gang, be keen. Let me just show you something. Let me show you something. If we can catch something, let me see if we can catch something. So let me see if I can get you a signal. Be keen. Let me see. Let me try to peruse. All right, or let me see if I can scan through and see if I can get an amazing signal for you guys. You guys have been amazing, and I like the support. So one thing, let me see. AUD USD. I just click on that. So if I get something amazing on this joint, let's see. Let's just try to analyze this pair and understand. One thing, we understand that this is the last low, and also we had a high right here. Okay, so if we had that type of a play, we understand that there was this type of a trend. First touch, second touch. We might do this, if that makes sense. Let's see. You never know, as long as it makes sense. So at the same time, there's this level right here. There's this level right here that price is trying to play around. So now we understand that price is in a downtrend. So what do I mean by price is in a downtrend? We see that price was giving us properties of higher high and lower low and a lower high. So that is the case. Now, so let's go back to the H4 and analyze this level right here, okay, so that we understand how that market is approaching the support and react to that. Okay, so let me just hit the H4 right here. Okay, so now on the H4 we need to understand the patterns or the shape that the market will be giving us, that is based on that support level that the market is currently on. Okay, so this is it. Okay, we need to analyze this. But now, all right, I'm seeing that price is giving us a reversal. This is a double bottom. Okay, no problem, we need to react to that. But at the same time, this market is giving us a double top right here. Okay, so we have a conflict. Okay, we have conflict, so let's just react to this. So we just need to continue understanding this market and get our position right. So let's try to adjust our trend line. First touch right there. I don't ignore wicks, gang. I don't ignore wicks, something like this. So let me hit the H1. Okay, now I'll do this because we understand that there's a support level right there. Okay, so we do this. So I'll make another trend, guys. Remember, trends inside trends, trends within trends. Okay, so right here I can see this. Let's try to see if it makes sense. You never know. You never know. Right there I can do this. And I can do this. So beautiful, gang. That is way too clean. It's way too clean. Now on AUD USD, what I understand is that price has given us only 2 touches on the support level. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about. We had a first touch right here and now a second touch. So I'm expecting the third touch, okay, for us to see if we can get a sell position. So this is what the type of play that I'm expecting. Market does this, hit that level, goes back. Okay, now the reason why I'm expecting that the market should go up is this: to manipulate people. Okay, remember, people are expecting that, oh, we are in an uptrend. That is for the scalpers and day traders who are analyzing the market based on the lower time frame. They are expecting, oh, we are in an uptrend, because they're analyzing only this zone right here. Okay, so if they're analyzing that zone, they expect that, oh, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. But in real sense, from the higher time frame, we expect the market should be dropping. So when the market does that, we expect, okay, it has given us a new, remember, let me just draw, this is now going to be a lower low, lower high. That pullback that I'm talking about, the market should go up, is to be a lower high. And now when it takes out the new support right here, this is what I'm talking about, something like this, then now it's confirmed that this is a sell market. We make our entry position, our stop loss above that new lower high that the market gave out, something like this, and we now target this level right here. It's going to be an amazing run. So guys, watch out for AUD USD, and if that doesn't happen for sales, we don't do anything. Okay, I'm not going to talk about buys or bullish thing, because I still believe that this market is way too good for sales unless it takes out this level right here. Okay, because that's the last lower high. So if this market takes out this level, something like this, we expect pullback, because the market is now going to give us a new higher high, higher low, and then we continue going all the way up. But then I don't think so, but you never know. The market is the market. But basically, I'm looking for sales. I hope you guys learned something, and adios, mi amigos. Check out my link, Telegram link in the description box. Peace.